Hi, I'm Max, a student here at CSU. Due to some serious breaches of security at several other universities, we have decided to expand our protection for your identity and CSU's intellectual property from attacks through email phishing scams. So, starting in June, we will be implementing two-factor authentication in front of Microsoft 365. Two-factor authentication is a way of securing an online account by proving that you have access to another device or service that belongs to you. If you've ever had to enter a code that was sent to you via text when online banking, you've used a kind of two-factor authentication. Unlike banks, CSU uses a third-party service called Duo. Some students and staff are already using Duo for access to the secure server from off-campus, and will continue to do so. By logging into your web-based programs and then pushing a request to another device like your mobile phone, we will be able to cut down on fraud, phishing scams, and unwanted emails. This applies to Microsoft Office 365 email, OneDrive, Teams, and viewing Microsoft Stream videos from your classes. As we prepare for this, we are asking that you also get prepared by registering devices that can be used for second-factor authentication. This way, you'll be ready when this is launched in June, and access to your email account will not be disrupted. The steps to set this up include downloading the app on your mobile device, logging into the Duo Setup website, registering your device, scanning a QR code to activate it, and testing it on the secure.colostate.edu website. Once it's set up, it's very easy to use. Here are the quick usage steps. First, log into Microsoft with your e-name at colostate.edu and your eID password. On the Duo challenge screen that appears next, you will get 3 choices: send me a push, call me, and enter a passcode. We recommend using the push function only, but you can also click on the Colorado State University link in your Duo mobile app and see a 6-digit code that you can enter. The phone call is only to be used as a last resort if the other 2 methods are not available to you. If you use the recommended push function, tap the green check mark that will appear on your phone or tablet. Once you've done this, you won't need to do it again unless you log in from a different computer or change your password. Plan on doing this once a semester as you change your eID password. Let's step through how to set up, download the app, and install Duo Two-Factor Authentication. First, download the Duo mobile app to your phone or tablet. You will need this later. You can skip this step if you don't have a smartphone or tablet. Next, go to eid.colostate.edu and log into the Duo self-service page. Look for the Register Device link and click it. Give your device a name, for example, my smartphone or my mom's phone. Enter the phone number for your device. Select your device type, for example, Duo mobile app or phone call if you're using our last resort option. Select your device platform, for example, Apple iOS or Google Android. And click Save. If you are registering a landline telephone now, you are done. If you are registering a smartphone or tablet device, you will see a QR code displayed on the screen. If you've not already downloaded the Duo mobile app to your phone or tablet, you will need it now. Go ahead and launch the app and register the phone or tablet with CSU by scanning that QR code from the Duo mobile app. You will see Colorado State University appear in your list of Duo protections, and you're done. Your device is now set up, but we encourage you to test it by logging into secure.colostate.edu. On your PC or laptop, go to secure.colostate.edu. Authenticate with your eID and your ePassword, and next you will get the Duo second-factor authentication webpage. Select Push, our default option. On your phone or tablet, tap the green checkmark that will appear in the Duo mobile app, and you will now be taken to the secure.colostate.edu website on your PC or laptop. Finally, it is important to register more than one device. If you only have your mobile phone registered and you lose it, break it, or get a new phone, you'll have to call the help desk to help you set up a new device. You can avoid this hassle by registering additional devices such as a landline phone, an iPad or tablet, or a trusted individual's mobile phone. You can also visit Ramtech in the Laurie Student Center here on campus to purchase a token that generates one-time use codes. Here's how to add additional devices. First, log in to the eid.colostate.edu website if you're not already there. Next, select Modify your eID, then pull down to the Duo self-service link, just like before. Authenticate with your EID and password. And now you should be at the Duo Two Factor Authentication selection page. Now you need to complete two-factor authentication first, so select Push and tap the check mark on your original device. Authenticate and you'll be logged in. You're now on the Setup page where you can edit and add more devices. Toward the top, in the device window, click on the Register Device link and add the additional device. If you decide to purchase a hardware token from Ramtech, you will receive instructions on how to register it if they're needed. I hope this has helped you out. Let us know if you need any additional assistance. You can call 970-491-7276 or email help@colostate.edu. Thanks. Have a great rest of your semester.